Ford F-250 death wobble. Check that out. Check that out. Why? The customer says when I brake, I'm almost about to run out of the road. Why wouldn't you run out of the road? Eh? I'm about to run out of the road. This is it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh good. All right. Tie rod ends. All right, guys. I wasn't able to show this when I was doing it because of it was pretty bad. I didn't have much video memory to record the whole thing on my phone. So I want to show you guys a short video so I can explain what I did. I think it's pretty much the same. It's not that difficult, but I want to kind of explain the procedure here. Okay. This here is pretty much this tie rod end on top. It extends all the way through this knuckle in down here. So this tie rod end on the bottom on the right side, this is the right hand side of the vehicle. It goes in through that stud that comes out, and then this is the bolt. You put a new bolt here. To loosen it, once you get it off, to loosen it, it was pretty difficult. I had to use a spike to stick through and twist it, use it to kind of twist it after spraying WD-40 here. Then before that, you loosen this here. It's a 13 millimeter right there. Take it off, move this back, or take it off completely and just leave this on it. Then you loosen this here and take this nut and bolt off to release the thread. This will holds the thread in where it's at. So you have to release it, loosen it here, release it, then you start twisting. This side on the right hand side is put on to remove it is counterclockwise. Clockwise is to remove it. I'm sorry. It's clockwise to remove it. It's like you are tightening it, but it's actually removing. So it's reverse thread on the right side. So be mindful of that. So removing this side on the right side is reverse thread. So to take it off, you have to go clockwise. So that means you rotate in this way and it's loosening. And to put it on is counterclockwise. So it's kind of backwards from the other side. The left side is just normal. To take it off is counterclockwise, which is like this. Counterclockwise, just like a normal loosening. And to tighten it is clockwise. So be mindful of that. On the right side, taking it off is reverse thread. The other side is normal thread on it. I had to, on this side, I had to cut off because this side was so bad. It messed up the thread on the bolt, so I had to cut it off. I got everything tight now and good to go. It's no longer shaking. I'm gonna show you guys when I put the tire on, but it was pretty bad. I had to cut it off. Let me show you guys. This is my mark from my grinder, cutting it off, and you can see this side is that piece supposed to be on the inside is already popped out. That's how bad it is. So that's how you change your tie rod end on this F-350. Okay, I'm gonna put the tire on and I will show you guys the difference. All right, this command is of the job. See, no more movements. Everything is solid. That's it for the F-250 tie rod repair. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs button for next video coming up. We're going to be doing more videos this 2024. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Peace. Keep wrenching.